welcome to my channel. Today it will be a nice yoga stretches for runners and it's very good after a nice run. So let's start in standing pose. Come to the front of the mat. As you inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands towards center. Bring your arms up. With the right hand, grab the left wrist. Bend to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers. Send your arms down, away from your lower back. Bring your chest up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Fold forward. Bring the right foot behind the left foot. Behind the right leg behind the left leg. You bend the front knee and the back leg is completely extended and you fold forward. Just breathe here. Stay here for a moment, just breathing. Feeling the stretch of the back leg. Inhale, halfway lift, and then bring your feet parallel to each other and you exchange. Just bring the left leg behind the right leg, and then bend the front knee, extend the back leg, and breathe, fold forward. You feel the back leg stretch. Inhale, halfway lift, feet parallel to each other, long spine. Exhale, fold forward, relax there. Grab your elbows with your positive hand and just swing to one side and then the other side. Relax there. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, wrist high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat. Send your feet back to high plank. And you drop the knees and come all the way down into your belly. Forehead into the mat. Inhale, cobra. Shoulders back and down. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Inhale, tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then downward facing dog, just come to your toes and then up and back. Just stretching your toes after the running. Just do it in a way that feels comfortable. Nice stretch. Inhale, come to your toes, bend the knees and gently walk forward. Bring your heels in, toes out to come to your yoga squat. Bring your hands and palms together, arms inside of your leg. Let's breathe here for a moment. Yoga squat. Release your hands and inhale and exhale. Just come to fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat. Send your feet back. Come back to your high plank. And then find your downward facing dog. And then keep the left leg extended. And bring the right foot behind the left leg. Stretching your quads and the back leg. And your quad, no, the back of the leg. Breathe here. And then let's exchange. Send the hips up and back. And then the left foot behind the right leg. As you stretch the back leg. Come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Send the hips down and forward, gaze forward for a moment. You are in your fingertips. Just feel the stretch in the back leg, front leg, front of the back leg. And let's flow. Inhale, extend the front leg and modify pyramid pose. Fall forward over the front leg. Exhale, low lunge again, sending the hips down. Inhale, extend the front leg, fall forward. Let's stay here for a moment, breathing. Back leg is extended, front leg extended. And come back to low lunge. This time bring the front foot to the edge of the mat and place your hands inside of your front foot. Send the hips down and gaze forward. You feel more the stretch here. And then drop the back knee and come to your forearms if that's okay with you. You can come to the edge of the front foot to sending the knee to the side. Inhale up into your hand. Send the hips back to half split. Extend the front leg. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, and then bend the front knee and bring the foot to the center. Bend the back knee, grab your foot with the right hand. Inhale, exhale, release. Plant your hands into the mat. Find your downward facing dog. Other side, inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. We stay in low lunge for a moment. You are in your fingertip. You send the hips down and forward and you gaze forward. Breathe here. And now let's flow. Inhale. Extend the front leg. Exhale, fold forward over the front leg. And then you bend the front knee and extend the leg again and modify pyramid pose. Stay there for a moment, breathe. Back leg extend, the front leg, keep the front leg extended as much as you can and just breathe there. Then exhale, come back to low lunge. Bring your foot to the edge of the mat, heel into south. Your hands inside of your front foot. Send the hips down and forward. Gaze forward. Breathe here. Now drop the back knee and come to your forearms. Slowly bring yourself up. Half split, sending the hips back to align with the back knee and extend the front leg, fold forward. And then come forward to bending the front knee and bring your foot to more to center. Bend the back knee. Option to stay here or grab your foot and bring your foot to your glutes, stretching the front leg of the back leg. Inhale, and as you exhale, release. Down, plant your hands into the mat, find your downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Swing the back heel down. Find your warrior two. Open into the side, front knee, bend back, leg completely extended. Extend the arms to the side. Inhale, reverse, warriors. Stretch the side stretch. extend the front leg, inhale, exhale, triangle pose. Front hand outside of your front foot, both legs completely extended. Extend the other arm up. Breathe here. Inhale, and as you exhale, both hands into the mat, and just walk to the side of the mat to come to your wide forward fold. Relax there. Inhale, halfway lift. You walk to the front of the mat again, and you come to your downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. You swing the back heel down. Inhale, warrior two. Open to the side. Front knee bend, back leg extend. Arms to the side. Inhale, reverse, warrior. Front arm up and back. Feel the left side stretch. Extend the front leg. Inhale. And as you exhale, find your triangle pose. Both legs completely extend. Place your hands, front hand into the mat, and the other arm up. Inhale. Exhale. We skip the other side. You just bend the knee and come to your downward facing dog again. Inhale. Come to your toes. Bend the knees and walk to the front of the mat to come to your version of yogi squat. Heels in, toes out, palms together to your heart. Breathe here. And then bring your hands into the mat, and let's stand in your knees, sit it in, and then sit into your heels. Send your arms back, interlace your fingers, extend your arm, knuckles on the mat to open your chest. Back bend. Come back to center, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, right and back, the other arm to the side, spine is long, gaze back. Inhale, come back to center, arms up. Exhale, you twist to the other side. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. So here is the deal. You can stay here for a moment, palms up, palms facing up, and breathe here. This is a rehab. It's a nice stretch for your quads and your calves. But if you want to go a little deeper, you can come to your hero pose, just opening your legs and sitting in between your heels. If this is too much, you can grab a block and sit into the block. So if you are sitting between your legs and this is comfortable, only if this is comfortable, you can walk your hands back and start to come back, walk back and come to your forearms, bending the elbow. And if this is very easy for you, comfortable, then you can come down, extending the arms overhead, grab your elbows with your positive hand, breathe here for a moment. Next inhale, come to your elbows again, forearms, and then come all the way up. So extend the right leg low to the side, keeping the left knee bent, close the knees, inhale, and exhale, twist to the extended leg, fold forward over the extended leg. And next inhale, slowly bring yourself up. And then you extend the left leg long and walk between your legs. Toes are up. Breathe here. You go to a place where you are comfortable. Then next inhale, slowly bring yourself up, bend the right knee. Keep the left leg extended, inhale. Exhale, fold forward over the extended leg. Breathe here. Inhale, slowly bring yourself up. Bring the sole of your feet sole of your feet together. Inhale, spine long, fall forward, butterfly. Fall forward between your legs. Breathe here. Slowly bring yourself up and let's do the 90 degrees with the front leg, 90 degrees with the back leg. Turn your torso to the front, fall forward over the front thigh. And here is the deal. If this is very easy for you, you can, if this is comfortable for you and you want to stay here, or you want a little more challenge, find you pigeon pose. Extend the back leg and inhale, proud pigeon, arms to the side. Exhale, fold forward, over your thigh. Bend the back knee, come up into your hands, grab your foot, stretching your quads, bring your foot to your glutes. Inhale, and as you exhale, we do the other side. You just walk, turn to the back of the mat, 90-90, inhale, turn to frame your mat, and you fall forward over your front thigh. Breathe here. So remember, you can stay here or you can find your pigeon pose, extending the back leg. Inhale, proud pigeon. Exhale, fall forward over the front thigh. Inhale up into your hands, bend the back knee, grab your foot with the left arm, stretching your quad. Inhale, and as you exhale, just find your child pose. Toes together, open your knees wide, hips to your heels, extend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat.